What is up, you guys? It's been a while, but today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this bomb ass blowout look. I'm obsessed, and I've been wearing my hair like this every time I wash it now. I barely even flat iron or curl it. So, um, if you like a blowout look without necessarily blow drying your hair, because I know that I've tried blow drying my hair with a round brush and it is literally a fucking workout and a pain in the ass, and it takes forever. I love the result, and then not only that, but I feel like it's for my texture hair, since I'm more wavy and coarse, it's like a combination that's really tough to get it really smooth with a blow dryer and a round brush. But if you like that salon blowout look, then you need to get this fucking blow dryer. It's literally worth the money. So okay, so this is the blow dryer. It's the Revlon Pro Collection Salon's one-step hair dryer and volumizer. I got this at Walmart for, I think it was like $49.99 or something like that. It was somewhere around there. I got this color. I believe that this one and the black and pink one is the same price. I know there's a turquoise one with black and it's super cute, whatever, but I think it's a little bit more pricey, and they sell that one at Ulta and Target. But what I'm hella bummed out about is that, I mean, whatever, it's worth the fucking money, but I saw this blow dryer on Target online and it was $35.99. And I know that if it's a little bit cheaper online, they price match. So try Target, but it is worth the fucking money. Like, I've literally been telling all my clients about this. So keep in mind though, do not use this all the time, because it is still heat. It's still going to damage your hair. But if you're on the go and you don't want to leave the house with your hair wet, and you want that blowout look, and you're going to keep it in your hair for a couple days, I definitely think it's worth the money. But it obviously came with a little instruction manual, but it's pretty common sense. It says in the back what to do, whatever, what the buttons are. This is the actual blow dryer. Yes, it has my fucking hair on it because I use it like all the time. So it has the off button, cool, low, and high. For my texture hair, since it is a lot thicker, I use obviously the high. For people with finer and more fragile hair, use the low, and just be careful. And when you are blow drying your hair, make sure that you're careful with touching it, because it does get pretty high. But I freaking love it, you guys. It's worth the money. It's amazing. So what I do is I wash my hair and I obviously got ready, so it's been in a microfiber towel wrapped up for a while. You do not want to dry your hair when it's soaking wet. You want to make sure, even if you're doing it with the round brush, do not do it when it's soaking wet. You want to do it when your hair's maybe 80% dry, so almost dry. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this and the result that it gives me, and it's amazing. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys the products that I like to use before I style my hair. So I like to use the Kenra blow dry spray. This is amazing. It cuts the blow dry time. I don't know if you guys can see it. And it protects your hair up to 420 degrees. This little spray is amazing. I use it for all my clients because we want to get people in and out, okay? So the next thing, well, the first thing that I apply is the Olaplex number 6 Bond Smoother. It is a leave-in conditioner, and it also smooths your hair. It protects your hair from heat. It does a whole bunch of stuff, but I like this for my hair. If not, you can just apply a regular leave-in conditioner first. I also use this smoothing potion by It's a 10. I use this smoothing cream. I freaking love it because it smooths my hair and it doesn't give me that greasy feel, because I've tried so many blow dry creams or smoothing creams that is supposed to smooth and take care of the frizz, but it makes your hair feel really greasy. And all these products that I'm showing you guys, it works for people with fine hair, thick hair, all types of hair. So that's what I love about it. Another thing that is optional that I'm going to use at last is this Chi Aloe Vera Serum. I also love their argan oil. Their argan oil is amazing, but try them out and let me know how they work. But so I'm going to take this down. If your hair is a little bit too dry, you can go ahead and spray it a little bit, but I think this is perfect to work with. So I'm going to start off before I even brush my hair by applying my Olaplex number 6. This stuff is like amazing. It is really expensive, I'm not going to lie to you. But take care of your hair. You don't want crunchy, dry ass, crispy hair. So always apply on your ends and work your way up, okay? Don't ever apply product like this, because you're gonna have a greasy ass mess. Then I'm gonna go in with the smoothing lotion. Oh shit. Okay, this was coming out a lot. Apply that much to my hair. Same thing. Work my way up. And another thing that I don't have here, because I do not need it, if you guys have finer hair, really flat hair, instead of the smoothing lotion, then I would probably buy like a volumizing gel or mousse. I really like the what is it, Sexy Hair Volumizing Gel. That will definitely give you hella volume. And also try like a root booster before you go in and blow dry. Apply it in your roots. The 8 to 10 volumizing spray is amazing. So there's just a lot of stuff out there, but this is specifically for my hair, for what I use, or for people with drier hair. But like I said, if you have really fine flat hair, then definitely get like a volumizing gel or mousse and a root booster. It's super necessary. So before I go in, I'm going to take my wet brush my hair. So now I'm going to be applying the Canberra Blow Dry Spray. Make sure to apply it really good on your ends, everywhere. You want to protect your hair. And all these products you can pretty much get at Ulta. I do not recommend getting them on Amazon. Go to Ulta, okay? They have really good deals all the time anyway, so. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing first, I'm going to be sectioning my hair. I always like starting on the bottom. So I'm going to take it into 2 sections, and I'm going to start on the left side. So I'm just going to be showing you guys a little bit of what I'm doing. Then when I get to the top, that's like the really important part for volume. But yeah, okay, so let's get started. So I'm going to go on high. I'm going to take it, and you want to lift it for volume. Okay, really quick, because I know it's going to be kind of hard to hear me. So you want to go in one direction, and then you want to go in the opposite, just to get the hair really smooth, especially if you have wavy and frizzy hair. So just want to like tell you guys that important tip. Guys, do you see how smooth my hair is? It's so shiny and smooth compared to this side. So I'm just going to be doing that on this side, and then I'll show you how to do the top. Okay, guys, so the higher you go, the more you want to elevate it, just to give you that volume on your root. And like I said, if you do use some sort of root booster or volumizing gel, it's obviously going to give you a lot more volume. And another important thing is, if you want volume in your hair and your layers to pop out with this style, with, you know, actually using the blow dryer, then you have to have layers in your hair. If you have just one solid blunt cut, it's gonna get flat. I love it. Okay, so for the top, you're gonna take the whole top crown. It doesn't matter what side you part your hair, it will fall on that part. So you're gonna start in the back. Start all the way in the back. You don't want to take too thick of pieces. That's something I should have mentioned earlier. Not too thin, not too thick. And like I said, it just depends on your hair texture. Put this hair back. Okay. Clip this to the side so you can see what you're doing. So you're going to be taking it and doing this. Bringing it forward, over directing it. You're going to be doing this way and this way, okay? And when it falls, it's just going to get a lot of volume in the crown area, and that's what you want. After you do that, there is a cool button on here, and you can just hold it and put it on the cool and just kind of set it. My hair falls how it naturally does. So this is my hair after the blowout. And if you obviously want to make your face cream pop up a little bit, then you can kind of blow dry forward towards your face. I think I might do that. I really like how it looks when you can see a lot of layers. Just gonna take it again and go on low. Okay, so afterwards, just to give my hair a little bit more shine and just make it nice and smooth in case there is a little bit of frizz, I'm gonna take my Chi Aloe Vera Serum. Like I've mentioned before, you only take a little bit, maybe like a dime size. That's all I need, and I have a ton of hair. Start on your ends and kind of run your fingers through it. Don't do this, it's just gonna mess up your style and make it really, really flat. This is the final result. I would rate this product, to me, I would say it's literally, I would say it's a 9 out of 10. The only problem that I have with it is that it has only, I feel like it should have a medium setting, just because I feel like the high gets too hot and the low's a little bit too low. But, and when it is on too high, that shit will, I think because of all the product, it will start like smoking, and it's not like your hair's getting fried. I feel like it just gets too hot. That's the only problem that I find, but it's not a major problem, like I said, because I use 3 different products with heat protectants, and I don't use this all the time. So when I will style my hair like this, I will leave it in probably for like 4 days. I know that's fucking crazy, but my hair does not get that grease. My hair doesn't even get greasy, and I'll just use dry shampoo. This is not something I would recommend for you to use every day. Like I said, if you don't wash your hair all the time and you want an easy style, this usually takes me 15 minutes to do it. When I usually do it, I'm in and out and my hair looks good. I freaking love it. Like I said, I don't even flat iron my hair anymore, just because I feel like this looks so bomb. Like it makes my hair look good. It makes my layers pop out. I feel like blowouts look more expensive. They look luxurious. So I really, really like it, and I would definitely recommend this product. But yeah, let me know if you guys purchase it. You guys can buy it on Amazon, Target. I've seen it so many places. Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below if you guys do get any of these products. And let me know what you guys want to see on my next video.